Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a B5 journal that I have received from Neora. So let's get started. While I unbox this, I intend to speak about what kind of planners or what is going to be my planner stack for 2026. So I think I am pretty set in my ways with the Hobonichi Weeks being my main planner. Wow, this color is so pretty. My intention this year is to add a journal, and that is the reason I bought this, and also have a planner from Neura itself. I'm still conflicted on whether should I go for a daily planner or a weekly planner for my journaling, depending on how much I wish to write. Because last year, in 2025, I didn't journal as much. I started really strong, but somewhere in May or June, I lost interest. So if it is a weekly planner, the space is less and I can write more. Um, and with the Hobonichi Weeks and Sterling Ink, I think I journaled a lot in those two as well. So that is the reason I realized that I may not need a full fledged daily planner. I'm still slightly inclined towards the weekly planner, but let's see. This year Neura has a B6 size, so I'm very sure of the size of the journal that I'm going to get. I'm still conflicted between either daily or weekly. Um, again i'm i really think B6 is a really small size and I can do a daily journal there as well, but we can discuss. So yeah, this is the B5 journal. You get the regular thank you card as well as a Neura story. This is something that I've shown you a million times. This is a B5 journal, and the reason that I've got such a large journal is because I want to be able to do some kind of commonplacing. Actually, more than commonplacing, like an art journal, come commonplace journal where I can keep like memories, something which is not like the travel memories, because I would love to put travel memories in my yearly planners or yearly journal itself, but something which I want to remember for a very, very long term, right? So possibly I will use this book for 2, 3, 4 years at a stretch, and that is the reason I decided to get a large book. So that was the intention. I love this color. This color is lavender. This year, Neura's come up with some beautiful colors. And I thought, since this is going to be my long term journal, I just want this to be in the most girly, feminine, yet very powerful color. And hence, I got this really nice lavender shade. If you see this, wow, this is a different shade of pink again. And as I said, I want to journal in this. At the same time, I need to stick a few things, probably stick pictures. I needed a very good paper quality, and at the same time, since I want to write in it, I wanted a ruled book. So this is what I got. So if I want to art journal, I can art journal. If I want to write something, I can write something. So that is the reason I got this book, and it is beautiful. Wow, this is the paper quality is really good. It's thick. I'm not so much of a watercolor person, but I would like to put in a lot of washi tapes, a lot of art journaling, etc. So I think this paper should be enough for that. Um, oh, there's a pocket, and there is something else here in the pocket. Oh, there are some stickers. Wow. These are just uh, title stickers which I can put in either here or anywhere. I was not expecting this. This is very good. Um, but here I will definitely keep a lot of my receipts or unique things that I did or something that I want to remember for life. So this will be my small space where I will put in lifetime memories or some large core memories that we've created, something on that lines, and that is the reason the size of the book. There are two bookmarks as well. So one is in the lavender shade and one is in the Neora orange shade. So this is pretty decent. I didn't expect anything less than this. So this is as expected. Hardcover has very minimal branding for Neora here. I like this book overall. So that is it. I just wanted to show you and also discuss what I'm going to use. if you have any suggestions of whether I should have a daily planner or a weekly planner, the size is confirmed. It's the B6 size I'm going to go, but just let me know. So overall, it'll be just three planners. One will be my Hobonichi weeks. Second would be the Neora B6. I don't know daily or weekly, and the third one will be my B5 book. This will be art journaling, memory keeping, all of that. And I have some other books. I will definitely do your wrap and what will I use for 2026 video as well. So you will get to know what did I use, what did I plan to use in 2025 and what did I actually use in 2025, uh, and also what I intend to use in 2026. This year I intend to be very minimal and very little things, because if I overwhelm myself with a lot of things, I've realized I don't tend to use it. Like Hobonichi Weeks has worked wonders for me because it's small, it's not overwhelming, I don't have to fill in a lot of things. So my intention with 2026 is going in the similar direction. So let me know what is your planner stack going to be. I'm very curious to know. Thank you for watching. Bye now.